Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is April and today I am going to be working on the fridge. It needs to be deep cleaned very badly. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So come along with me as I get that done. Alright, so the way I like to do this, I like to do it in 3 sections. So I pull everything out in that particular section, I get that section cleaned up, and then I put everything back. In my mind, this way, not everything is just sitting out on the counter the entire time while I am cleaning everything up. So y'all, tell me this, is my husband the only one that does this? I mean, it's less than a swallow left. Just throw it away, bro.
We can't pretend that we have changed yet, but who are we kidding?
So anyway, now that I've gotten everything out of this first section, I'm going to start pulling out the shelves and getting those clean. I really like using this file organizer just to put the shelves in so they can dry.
Only you move me to the rhythm. Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So as you saw, I like to fill the sink with some warm water and then I just go in with my Dawn power wash. And then on the inside of the fridge, I use my homemade cleaner and a microfiber to get everything nice and clean.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on
moving on to this next section, I knew something had spilled, but honestly, I wasn't sure what it was. I didn't know when it spilled. And so as I was pulling everything out, that's when I realized exactly what it was. You'll see it in just a second. So in case you're wondering, that is actually some espresso that my husband brought home at some point and put in the fridge to have later, but I guess it spilled. Either I did it, maybe he did it, or someone else, I don't know. But the point is, it was in there, it was stuck. I mean, it was stuck pretty good. So you'll see me just put on some power wash, let it sit. I wiped it down, I put more power wash, I let it sit. And eventually I did get it nice and clean.
You don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Take me for granted, and will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow. Things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
So let me know in the comments if you're like me and you hold on to certain sauces and condiments in the event you may need it, or in the event you may need it for a recipe and you end up never using it and it just sits and sits and sits. So I usually like to use this as an opportunity to throw away anything that's almost empty or anything that's expired, and then I just move on to cleaning.
spinning like a broken
All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I feel so zen and so calm now that the fridge is nice and clean. I'll see you guys in the next one.
and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in.